Let's learn number 2. This is number 2. Let's spell the word two. Two. Two dolls. 1, 2. Two frogs. 1, 2. Two pears. 1, 2. Two balloons. 1, 2. Two lions. 1, 2. Two birds. 1, 2. Two flowers. 1, 2. Let's circle all numbers 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you, big nerds.